Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I will be sharing the May cloth and paper subscription box. So let's just jump right in. So this is actually the first box in a while where you don't have the large art print. I know I saw something I think on the cloth and paper Instagram where there's going to be one large item. So maybe they just didn't include that in this box. But let's go through everything. So here's a little sneak peek on the card, and then we have some descriptions on the back. First up is this gold sticky note. So this is like a mustard yellow. Let's open this up so y'all can see a little bit better without that sheen. So on here you have a date, today's goals, and notes. So this is for daily goals, and then it comes with 50 sheets and it is 3 by 3. And then after that we have a new notepad, and so this is a today's agenda. You have a bit of a blank spot up top and spot to put the date, top 3 priorities, tasks, and then notes. So this is called the agenda notepad, and it is 3.93 by 7.87 inches and it is 50 sheets. So I believe this is the new size that they said that they were going to have for their notepads. I actually kind of want to see how it looks in the agenda because it looks like it'd be a perfect fit. Y'all know I like having my notepads and the little flaps of my agendas. So I'm just going to take this part because yeah, it's a perfect fit. So you can actually fit this perfectly in the Louis Vuitton front pocket. And you can actually keep this in here, which I actually kind of like. So I think I'm actually going to keep it in here. After that, we have 4 new dashboards. So I'm honestly not a huge fan of their new styles that they're going with. So I will be destashing these on the Cloth and Paper Facebook group. These are the A5 size. I don't know. I don't like these. I'm not a fan. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of these new looks. I think I just like the previous luxe feel. I feel like they're going for more of a modern minimalistic look, and I don't know, I still love cloth and paper, but I'm just not a fan of some of the new stuff they're coming out with. So I will be destashing these, but here is each of the dashboards one by one. This one is a vellum. And then we have these 4. So I'll be stashing these. Everything else I'm keeping so far. And then we have 2 new books. So they've been coming out with a lot of notebooks. And again, I'm not a huge fan of these either, to be completely honest. So I'll probably be destashing with these as well. This is a bucket list notebook. It is 5 by 7 inches and 32 pages. And then this is a goal mapping notebook. So I believe this is probably the large item that comes in here that they mentioned. So this is 5.8 by 8.3 inches, 52 pages, soft touch cover, and it has 6-week goal cycles. So let's do the bucket list notebook first. So you have bucket list, the B's, and then a definition. And then inside of here, you have property of, home address, phone number. And then you have a bucket list. So you have a full list on this side, half a list, a top 10, and then notes. And then you have a section that breaks everything down. So you have date, location, objective, why I did it, who I did it with, length, difficulty, favorite memories, spots for photos. It's just a lot for reflection on everything that you've done. And then you have several pages, and then in the back you have things to do for 3 pages. So again, I'm personally not a fan. I'll be destashing this. It is cute. I just personally won't use it. So I'll put that in my destash pile. I feel like I haven't destashed like a full box in almost a while. I think I'm about to destash almost everything in this box. But here is the goal mapping notebook. And I think just because I would have kept these if they were inserts. So I personally already have enough planners, as you all know. So I personally just don't want something else. I'm fine with notepads, but when it comes to notebooks, I feel like this is just another item to carry around. But for the goal mapping notebook, we have a quote up top, some quotes down here. And again, it's that new theme / fonts that they're using with the minimal look. So you have a how to use page on the side, year goals, a goal mapping sheet, and I think they have had inserts like these in the past, so they just turned it into a notebook. I think that's the entire book, is you get the goal mapping with the week 1 through 6 in here, and then there's a little achieved box. Yeah, so that's the entire book, and then in the back you have a note page. So if you have a lot of goals that you're working on and you want to break down, I think this is going to be a perfect tool. I personally just don't want a notebook. But we have that. And the last item in this box are the journaling cards. So you have the July monthly cards, but then we have a journaling card, and then this authenticity card, which I actually really like this one. And then that is everything in this box. So I feel like there's not a lot in this box. I feel like we've been getting a lot of stuff, but I think it's just a lot of smaller stuff in the previous boxes, which is why it feels like a lot. And these have bigger items. But yeah, here's everything in the box. And so I'm keeping the sticky notes, the journaling cards, and then the notepad, and then I'm destashing everything else. Again, I'm not a fan of the new dashboards or the new notebooks. But yeah, other than that, that is everything in the May subscription box, and that is going to be it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching.